Another video tutorial from Fun with Canva. So in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to place image in out of text in Canva. So I'm going to use a image or a design I put together previously just to make this go a little bit quicker. So this is the end result that we're looking for. So I've created that as an image and then dragged in a few other things from elements to create this design. So first things first, we're going to grab this from layers and go show layers. So these are all the layers that I've got associated with this design. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste this one here. I'm going to move it down into the middle, and that is where the orientation is going to be. So I've created a shadow effect for this particular element from the Canva element database. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow this one here. So I'll copy this pulse word and I will place that there and move it to the center. So to create the effect of the heart rate going through the word, I'm just going to increase this screen view and I will go to layers, show layers, make sure that's highlighted, click on here and go duplicate. Then I'll make sure that I place it right on top of the original. And then I will start going through and taking away the top layer. So I will make it under the P there and over the U there. I'll always go back to this layer just to make sure that I've got the original, and I'll duplicate it again, placing it over the top and dragging it all the way through so it's over the P, under the P, over the U, under the L, and then I will drag this back here so it's over the S. So there, in a sense, you have the effect that I'm after for this particular video tutorial of placing an image in out of text in Canva. So I will then continue just to borrow these items here. I'll go to layers, show layers, I'll click on that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. I'll go copy and I'll go paste. So for the purposes of this, I will just grab all this here. I will group and I will move it up the page. So there you have that video, and then you can just grab these two here, paste there, you can grab the Canva logo, copy, Control V there. And what I'll do is I'll grab a picture of this lady which I previously downloaded, and just show you how I got the effect around the lady. So that lady there is surprised, excited woman screaming in joy. So we drag it into the tutorial, go to image, go to background remover. This is one of the best tools I've ever used. Go to apply, wait for the tick to appear here in the cloud, and then place it down here. Click on it, go to layers, and send to back. Now we can increase this, and then what we do is come over here to shadow, click on glow, click again, and in here we can increase the size. So we'll increase it up to about 15. And transparency, which is one of the questions that was asked by a Canva user, we'll drag that up to 100%. We'll decrease the blur, and we'll change the color to white. So you can see there just in the background it's got the white outline glow. We'll go apply, wait for the tick to appear again. Alright, sometimes it does take a little long. Alright, there we go, it's appeared. What I'll do also in this one is just highlight the layers for this, and this, and I will just decrease that in size, rotate it over, and just put it over here. And I'll move this lady over here. Again, I'll just highlight these. And I'll just increase the size there. Alright, so I've changed the orientation around a little bit. But basically this video presentation was put together for Heart Week in May in 2024 here in Australia. And if we go back to there, we've pretty much got everything in place, and that's the end result. So really appreciate your time viewing this video, and if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. And remember to subscribe and like, and it'll really give me some enthusiasm to generate more videos. Thank you very much, and see you next time.